Hi, I'm Paul Ellis, and welcome to the AI Encore. I'm using my AI avatar today to help with this introduction while I continue my AI learning journey and prepare content for the channel. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you're somewhere near where I am in life. Maybe you've recently retired, or you're getting close. Maybe you've spent decades building a career, raising a family, serving your community, and now you're stepping into this next chapter wondering what comes next. That's exactly where I was. I spent over 26 years in the military, active duty, reserve, and National Guard, built a career in accounting, and worked with law firms and nonprofits in the Atlanta area. And when I started moving toward retirement, I kept hearing the AI narrative in business reports and in the stock market, and honestly, at first, I wasn't sure if I had the bandwidth to learn an entirely new system when I was close to winding down my accounting career. But I decided to find out because I felt like I could be missing out on the biggest wave to ever hit the computing industry. I started learning by watching a lot of videos, figuring out what AI tools actually do, and more importantly, what they can do for people similar to me who are approaching retirement or recently retired. And what I found genuinely surprised me. AI isn't just for tech people. It's for anyone who wants to stay sharp, stay connected, and make the most of this chapter of life. Whether that's planning a trip, organizing family memories, understanding your health information better, or just having a patient and knowledgeable assistant available whenever you need one. That's what the AI Encore is about. This channel is about my journey, shared honestly, in real time. You'll see what I'm learning, what's working, what isn't, and how I'm figuring out how to use these tools in ways that actually make sense for retirement life. At the time of this video, I am about 3 weeks into my AI learning journey. All I can say is, it can be a fast-moving train. However, you can go as fast or as slow as you see it. Learn at your own pace. I'm not a tech guru. I'm not here to impress you with jargon. I'm a fellow retiree who started where you might be starting right now, and I'm just a little further down the road. So if you're curious about AI but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. Subscribe, stick around, and let's figure this out together. If you're recently retired, approaching retirement, or exploring AI for a career change, I'd love to hear where you are in your journey. Drop a comment below and let me know. In the next few videos, I will begin to present my AI virtual assistants who have helped me in my AI learning and to develop my retirement project, the AI Encore. Thanks for joining me in my AI learning journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you soon.